The bird dog with an end range hold is a core exercise that's going to really help build stability throughout the torso and particularly help stabilize the lower back. This exercise is very similar to the traditional bird dog. The biggest difference is that we are holding the end range position as opposed to just moving through the reps with no hold at the top. For this exercise, we're going to begin on our hands and knees. We want to make sure we have a neutral spinal position from our hips all the way up to the top of our cervical spine. Take a breath in, and as you exhale, slowly extend the opposite arm and opposite leg. We're going to begin by holding for 3 to 5 breaths, and we want to work towards a hold for up to 10 breaths. Each hold counts as 1 repetition, and we're going to work towards being able to hold for up to 10 breaths. Repeat this exercise as assigned in your training program.